How to get rid of oily scalp and greasy hair. Oily scalp and hair are pretty common. It is just a natural oil that protects and nourishes your hair. But an abnormally oily scalp can be a problem. It makes your hair feel sweaty, greasy, and dirty all the time, no matter how often you wash your hair. Sometimes an overly oily scalp can even lead to excessive itching and redness. Tea tree oil. This remedy is especially helpful for those who have a greasy scalp because of dandruff. A research study shows that the application of the antimicrobial tea tree oil to your scalp can control the greasiness and itchiness caused by dandruff. Apple cider vinegar. The presence of acetic acid in apple cider vinegar imparts pH balancing properties to it. Its acidity can balance the pH level of your scalp. Since oily hair has a low pH, rinsing it with ACV may restore its pH balance and control the secretion of excessive oil on your scalp. Coconut oil. Applying coconut oil prior to shampooing is a great way to condition your hair without making it greasy. Virgin coconut oil is light and has a lower molecular weight compared to many other oils, which helps give your hair the required shine. Thus, it may also help prevent excess sebum production. Aloe vera. Aloe vera exhibits significant astringent and nourishing properties due to its nutrient-rich composition. Thus, it may help control sebum secretion and make your hair soft. You can apply this every once in a while to control oily scalp. Argan oil. Massaging argan oil onto your scalp and hair can redistribute the sebum to your hair shafts and keep them moisturized, thus regulating the secretion of sebum and stimulating blood circulation. However, there is limited data on how it benefits oily hair.